Have you ever noticed this? The smartest person in the room often ends up the most confused. They know what they should do, but they still don't do it. Today, we're uncovering the real reason why smart people often stay poor. The biggest weakness of intelligent people is overthinking. They analyze everything: risk, future outcomes, worst-case scenarios, best-case scenarios. But at some point, analysis stops being preparation and turns into paralysis. They tell themselves, "I'll learn a little more. I'll understand it better. I'll start when the timing is perfect." But here's the truth: perfect timing never comes. A smart brain avoids impulsive decisions, but it also avoids long-term action. And that's where the problem begins. Now let's talk about the most dangerous word of all: tomorrow. Smart people say, "I'll start tomorrow. I'll save next month. I'll invest once I earn more." But tomorrow is an illusion. It always lives in the future. People who wait for motivation usually end up doing nothing. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They build systems. Because motivation is a feeling, and feelings are never consistent. So here's the real question: why don't smart people save money? Because they believe, "I know what I'm doing. I'll manage it later." But money doesn't grow through knowledge alone. Money grows through automation. That's the simple truth. Now listen carefully. This is the system smart people often ignore: the auto-saving system. The rule is simple. The moment your income arrives, 10% to 20% is automatically set aside before you ever touch it. Because what you don't see, you don't spend. Smart people create budgets. Successful people create automation. Saving stops being a decision and becomes a habit. Now change one thought. Instead of saying, "I'm trying to save money," say this: "I'm the kind of person who pays myself first." That identity shift alone can change your financial future. Being smart isn't enough. You need courage. And more than anything, you need a boring but powerful system. Because in the end, it's not smart people who win. Consistent systems win. If you love uncovering the lost stories of our world, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.